That is one ugly motherfucker.
Wood.
No, Chibi, no, don't wood.
Yes!
One who truly loves Mama.
Please, Dad! Dad, I want to be born! I meant to say comes. I said comes.
Hello everyone, my name is Mirage, and today we are reacting to clips that made Chibidoki famous 3 by the lovely Able Clips, whom we love and adore. Look at this little man. Twitch chat, say hi to YouTube, because why the fuck not? And you know what? YouTube, say hi to Twitch chat. They will not read it till later. Haha. Okay, well dang. I haven't seen too much of Chibi, but what I have seen, she is fucking hilarious and I love her. And I wish I had that level of gremlin chaotic energy. However, you know what? Let's get fucking into this shit.
Mooding! Mooding!
He's Mooding. Oh no! Oh, the poor little bean. What was that? Fucking 8 seconds and I'm already sad. Oh my god.
Chad, I'm like a pirate's worst nightmare. I don't have a chest or a booty. What are they gonna freaking plunder? Literally nothing.
Fuck, I'm now a pirating risk. I've got both a chest and a booty. Yar, time to plunder.
Bro, I'm the plank on the boat. That's what I am.
Oh, not the plank.
None of everything.
Feet.
None of freaking everything, man. They got they got rights, and they got nice legs. Well, Chibidoki fanfiction. Come on, Wattpad. Yes. Wait,
no,
not
Wattpad.
This is about nags. Wait, what? The time a huge schnoz sniffed me into a different world. Nags21, a streamer on Twitch, heads to TwitchCon where he encounters the emote he hates the most. What the frick? By the way, there's another fanfiction that says, here we follow the beginning of a beautiful story where an edgy and strange teenager ends up becoming a source of inspiration. I am not edgy! What? I'm reading it. How am I edgy? I only joke about, like, some things. Like, what? I'm not edgy, am I?
Okay, well, I was gonna comment on the fanfiction, but we're gonna come back to that. That is one ugly motherfucker. Getting a fanfic written about you is such a fucking milestone. Like, that is the type of, like, getting your first fan art, phenomenal, massive milestone. Getting your first hate comment, also a milestone. These are milestones I've hit. Getting a death threat, also a milestone. That is unfortunately one I've also hit. However, fanfic, I don't think I've had yet. That is such a fucking milestone. Imagine what that mouth can do. I don't want to imagine what that mouth can do.
Oh my god. Oh my.
Oh.
Wood.
No, Chibi, no, don't wood.
God.
Put him down. He didn't consent.
It's British. Let's find out what gender it is, guys.
British. I know the joke, but like the only like Brit I currently know is hot as fuck.
Guys,
Alright.
Little mistake Andy is. You ready? Is it working?
Oh, Ribby!
It's gay!
It's gay!
Today,
My favorite
dad
gender
bought me a
reveal. It's
milkshake,
gay.
And I was like, thanks, Dad. I took a sip of it, and I was like, wow, Dad, this is really delicious. And he goes, you better drink it all because it was expensive. And I was like, okay, Dad. And then I was like, hey, Dad, you know, this tastes just like cum. I meant to say Tums. I meant to say Tums. I said cum. My dad looked at me in the most disappointment he's ever had.
Oh,
and that's saying a
honey.
freaking lot. Cum.
Oh.
It tasted like Tums.
Oh, honey. Oh, that's like making a spelling error, like a typo in real life. Like in that's essentially what it was. Okay, quick story time. That reminds me of the time. So obviously I'm friends with Frank. I'm friends with Frank. We vibe, we hang out. He is an actual friend of mine. And I was typing something to him. I was apologizing for something. I'd like cancelled a stream or I was behind on something. And I went to type an uwu. IM space SOWWY. A little uwu, I'm sorry, shy fingers. So my phone was trying to figure out what the fuck So we meant. I was typing this tired, quickly, in pain. So I typed it, I sent it, I didn't look at it instantly. I then looked at it and realized I had just told Frank I'm so wet. I told my friend of 11 years and my YouTube editor that I was so wet. I know I didn't edit it fast enough for him not to see. Yeah, so autocorrect did me dirty. I, in fact, was not wet. I was, in fact, probably in a ball in pain because it was after my surgery. Anyway, sorry, there's my little sidebar story. That is all. Farewell.
But I said comes. I'm a little boy. Wanna know the worst part about this whole situation was? Now my dad thinks I know what tastes like. I didn't have the heart to tell him. Hey, Dad. I've never made it to third base. I couldn't even tell him. Both options are embarrassing. I couldn't even tell him.
Both options
so
are.
Now he thinks I know. But I don't. And it gets worse. It gets worse. 15 minutes later, my dad barges into my room to have a talk with me, probably about the tasting topic. And I was recording a video of my Chibidoki plush kissing 3 Bowser plushes.
No!
Wait, I have to burp. I need to go off on my own. Hold up.
Did anyone else, like, when they were a kid and they played with, like with toys and shit, like whether it was like Barbie dolls or littlest pet shops or action figures, did anyone else's parents walk in on them when they were making them kiss and you just kind of had to awkwardly make eye contact and put them down and act like you didn't do that?
Hopefully no one heard that.
Oh my god, it fucking reverbed in here!
Wait, if you pull the apparatus, they all turn on. What apparatus?
What's an apparatus? That's what you get removed when your stomach explodes.
That's your appendix!
Oh.
No, that's the top of a paper. Wait, I don't understand. Am I not supposed to be behind you?
Yeah, no, you're good.
You
you're
are,
good.
but not
You're
up his ass.
You're
I
like
know.
literally.
No, sniff his ass.
Break check.
Sniff it.
That's called a break check. Don't be on my ass.
Break check. I can't believe you did a break check.
Why would you break check her? You
Why?
She's gonna in your trunk now.
I look like
My model stopped tracking me, but I was fucking dancing
I look
along.
like a DLC character. I look. Oh, yeah, chat looks like this one over here. Chat looks like that one. Like, actually, according to my calculations...
Can I can't back out of the way,
like
Dad?
It's like contraband. Like, he just Googled boobs, right?
Boobs!
And he slowly
Sorry.
turns the thing over, and I'm like, holy crap. We both look at Ray and we go, please hold this. Hold this, but do not look at it. Hold it and do not look at it. And I take this photo, and he has no idea what's on it. Let's play! Oh my god, I was playing Overwatch today, and one of the people in the group went, or, and I went, or, and he goes, I always do that to find out where the zoomers are, and I'm like, oh, come on!
My GF likes Fluttershy. PS boys, girls, a little advice from a vampire gentleman. It is not the size that matters, it is how you use it.
I love her expression so much.
Okay.
Oh, I love her.
Pipe down, millimeter defeater. Pipe down, little bro. Emphasis on little.
I'm proud of you.
Oh, ukulele.
Out of the closet.
Is she apologizing?
I'm sorry for singing about.
Oh, okay, yeah, she is apologizing.
Morning pizza made. My door was wide open. My mom and dad heard me, and I think they're gonna disown me for not because I like pizza, but because I am a motherfucking disappointment. I am sorry, chat. I'm sorry, mom, and I'm sorry, dad, for singing about
Mickey, please.
That was-
I don't know how I got.
That was beautiful, and I truly feel honored to have witnessed that. Even if it was an apology song, we have been blessed today.
My goof sticle's caught in the mouse catool.
The artist gets bonus points if the Joker
Oh,
and
Chibi! Mishka Mouska fucking uh-oh.
Oh my god, I speak coffee everywhere! It's everywhere! It came out my nose!
Oh,
You know, can I tell you guys something kind of lewd?
Go ahead.
So not that I've ever made it this far, but when I heard of like blowing a guy, I thought you like, actually blew air.
Hey, let's get down and dirty. Like, what the fuck?
Are you ready?
I thought the exact same thing. Not the only one that I genuinely thought blowing a guy mean blowing air, and I sat there for a while going, how is that enjoyable?
I know we've been dating for a while, and I think it's time I know you'll really like this. Like, get the fuck.
Wait until you thought I meant beating the meat man. If I could have a kid like Amazon primed by a stork
I
to my
can't unsee
doorway,
that your
I'd
mouth
have a kid.
looks like Peter
Absolutely.
Griffin's
You're
chin.
telling me I gotta freaking like what the frick? That's so like the canon way of having a kid is so lame. It's so boring.
The
right?
canon way.
I've talked about it before. I would have a kid if I could lay eggs because, and everyone is weird about it. Hold up, there's a coffee stain on my monitor. I was licking it. If I could give birth to a kid in an egg as opposed to having it in, I have a big announcement today. I shouldn't be talking about.
Nuts.
Whatever, man. Dude, so basically, because it'd be less trouble. I could just like out the egg, and then a baby would come out in like 9 months. You're telling me like that's easy. I've cultivated an audience full of degenerates. And you want to know why that is? It's because I'm snarky, bro. I swear to God, dude. Like, it sucks because, like, I'll be like, dude, I literally said, can I give you, like, dude, what was it? I said, like, can I freaking crack open your head like a geode? And freaking half of chat was like, yes! Like, dude! Bruh! Like, what the frick? Guys, get help! It was supposed to be, like, a threat.
No, don't get help.
God
We
damn
love
it.
everyone how they
Not
are.
the worst way to go?
I wouldn't offer to crack open anyone's head. However, I stand by the death by thighs is the best way to go. Send me to Valhalla by some thick chick's thighs. You know what I mean? When I saw Cha-Cha's thighs for the first time, my response was thick thighs save lives, but I wouldn't mind dying to hers.
Flashback.
Okay, what did I walk into? Slowly walking away. Time for me to run. Hold on. You can walk
Oh
away.
my. Holy f***ing thighs. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Please forgive. Oh my lord. Thick thighs save lives, but I wouldn't mind dying by hers. Honestly, anything from the lovely luminous red or the lovely sweet frequency, I would. I would die that way so quick. Would.
What have you done?
The scream scared the ever-living shit out of me. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm ready.
Oh
my god!
He looks like he got my head in one side and your head in the other.
Chibi
Dude, I want to be his pector!
What a collab.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
Chibi, what the frick happened, dog?
I'm not gooning, I just appreciate art.
Same. I appreciate art.
I'm gonna lick it.
I don't know what that
yummy.
does. Have you ever actually licked a battery before?
No, but when I was a kid and oftentimes an adult, I would plug it. You know, like the iPhone chargers.
What do you mean oftentimes? As
Occasionally, you plug in your iPhone charger, and you know, like the little part you
Yeah.
put in the phone. I'd lick it, and it'd be spicy. It's like a little sour.
I can confirm if you lick the iPhone chargers, They are a little bit spicy and sour. I don't recommend it.
Or and it like zaps you a little.
Yeah, and you'll never have to grow up after until you'll always be there.
Dude, life got good after that. I also, as a kid, had a salt lamp, which was like a brick of like salt.
Oh.
And I would bite off chunks and eat it like religiously. And I found out 20 years later they got recalled because they caused brain damage when consumed by infants.
Wait.
Okay, so I didn't do that one, but I grew up with horses, and we would get salt licks for the horses. And I've licked not after it had already been given to a horse. I did it before horse. I have indeed licked the salt lick for horses before. I was like, man, the horses seem to love an salt lick, you know, and it's consumable. It was really fucking salty.
Why did no one stop you? Why?
I was biting off chunks and giving it to my little sister too.
So how was it? Honestly, I'll do it again. My mum has horses, and those horses eat better than a lot of fucking people. She boils barley for them, they get molasses, they get, like, expensive horse feed, like, holy shit.
Oh my god, you made your little sister. You have to bring her down with you.
Oh no.
I know, well listen, she went to college and made the family proud. I'm playing Roblox with Doki Bird, so
But you okay, but like, because she paid it once, you know? You were continuous.
she is doing something wrong, so isn't getting
This is
caught a
yesterday's hero
consequence?
by John Paul Young. Christ, I'm out of shape.
No, I actually don't think this game is a 10 out of 10. I think it's an 11 out of 10.
Yeah.
Best game I've ever played. Hold on, let's add some music to the background, because basically this game is so good that they didn't add a streamer mode. All the music is copyrighted famous music because, you know, it's a small indie team, but they have all the big music that costs millions of dollars.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna add my own music.
That is so something I'd do to Frank. I'm like, let me play non-copyrighted music. Plays, like, the most copyrighted music.
Oh my god! It's Cookie Run! Sorry.
Don't get hit by a car, please.
No. Wait, you can't fail the skill checks? Wait, actually? My hands are in the air. Look, I'm clapping. Alright, I'm going to the bathroom. You guys can play. Alright, Chad, I'm gonna let you play.
You guys can play.
Look out!
Nice. Fuck your fins and your boxes too. Nothing is stopping her. Fuck your birthday party. Please tell me that's your house.
Know about your business?
Oh no, that's not her house. Okay. Oh. You could have gone around the chicken coop. That was an option.
Did anything happen, guys? Were there some QTEs? Alright, guys, I'm gonna very slowly get in my gamer chair. I don't want to miss the QTEs. It's a lot on the line here.
Hey! My bad.
What the frick is happening at this school? What the frick? Everyone has problems in this town. No wonder you want to freaking leave.
Hey, get off the field!
Shut up! You're not my dad.
Yeah, nice kick, dingus. Holy goddamn it.
Did you just call me a freaking dingus? You're going in my soundtrack! You're going in my mixtape! Guys, I'm just not doing anything. I'm literally not doing anything.
Almost there.
Yup. Press E to activate your white girl powers.
Oh. Come on.
I don't know, nothing
Damn,
happens. Now I'm
I'd be
craving
out of
pumpkin
breath
spice.
by now.
Oh,
All that running and jumping.
Let's go. Where's my mom?
Hell yeah. All you, Chibi.
What's up with Bowser?
What is up with Bowser? Oh. Hi there, sir.
No! Not my mom! Anyone but my mom! Anyone Anyone else!
Oh no!
Oh my god! It's her first day on the island.
Match made in heaven.
Please.
Okay, I'm just gonna come out and sit. Whenever I see you, my heart turns to good. You're the loveliest just girl. It's 1,000%.
That sucked! That you sold! That sucked!
Running on purpose. But I'm in love with you.
That was terrible!
She tried her best.
No, he's gonna reject me! I'm sorry. He wants my mom.
What game is this?
My dad's there! Dude, there's
What game is this? I want this. Oh, it's a Switch 2. I want a Switch 2. You don't know Tomodachi Life? No! I really want to get a Switch. I want to get a Switch so I can play stuff. I need a Switch. I'm already a Switch, but I need a physical one too, please. Any hoozles.
They're eating lunch like it's breaking.
I struggle to picture you as a Switch of bottom energy. I have told many a people, good boys. Have I stepped on someone before? I think I have stepped on someone before and blindfolded someone. And handcuffed someone. So yeah, no, it is. Yeah. Any hoozles, back to the video.
Bad. Like, they can't be face to face.
Please.
Oh, no!
I want us to be the kind of couple that splits a short stack of pancakes.
No! She's gonna say no. There's no way. My dad is there! My dad! There's no way.
Hold it right there.
What?
Yes!
The one who truly loves Mama Doki is me.
Please, Dad! Dad, I want to be born! I want to be born! Pick him!
Hold it right there.
What?
Well, the one who truly, deeply loves Mama Doki is me.
Mom!
Which of us do you choose?
Mom!
Pick one of us, once and for
Mom,
all.
there's
Please.
only one right choice. Mom, there's only one right choice.
Please,
Mom!
please.
Next, I'd love to go out with you.
This is the worst. The worst.
I actually hadn't.
So what do you think about us becoming... Wait, is your mom?
Yeah. She picked you out of everyone. I have like 40 bees.
No, the mom, the grandma, I love your family, yo. Forget you, we're all going to hang out. Have a good time, chill.
No, I don't want you guys to chill, bro. Do I have your blessing? Do you want to be with my mom?
Yeah, it's content, it's funny. Plus your mom's awesome.
Alright. Yeah, okay, what do you want to call my mom?
I could make it anything.
Anything you want, there's no censor.
Schmookum Stokey.
Good evening, Schmookum Stokey.
Oh my god. What do you want my mom to call you?
To call me?
She usually calls you small calves.
She does call me small.
Alright, but that was whenever she wasn't with you. Maybe, are you sure you want
Oh my god.
You know what? Large calves. Large calves. Now that she's with me,
I love this so much.
Large calves, since we're together.
You're the kind of guy to sniff your fingers after you would.
Good evening, large calves.
Alright, I'll see you later, Dad.
I
love that. That was fucking phenomenal. Abel, you did brilliant with that editing. Top notch. Fucking brilliant. Oh my god.